Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Welcome to my tiny little bathroom. In this space, there's no room for anything, but I needed some extra storage, and this little shower stool by ROHKEX is perfect. It fits in perfectly. It even allows enough room for me to easily get in and out of the shower where I thought there was no way I could add a shelf. This shelf is so incredibly strong and heavy, I was really impressed with the quality. It's also waterproof, so if you don't need it in your bathroom, it also makes a really nice outdoor patio table and it's beautiful on top of all that. So it works just as a really nice shelf. And if it gets dirty, it's very easy to clean. To put it together was very easy. You have the top shelf, you attach the three legs using bolts, the included Allen wrench, and then you add the bottom shelf and attach it with the three screws with the Allen wrench as well. Then it comes with these little attachments to screw into the bottom of the legs. So it's very easy to make this level, even if the floor you're putting it on is not completely level. So if you were looking for a little shelf to fit in a small space where you think nothing else will fit, this is a perfect one. And on top of that, it's going to last for a long time. It's waterproof and it's beautiful. And that's my point of view.